Good morning, everyone. It is Easter Sunday. Welcome back to It's a Really Good Life. I'm Nina. This is Rob, my driver today, and we're out on the road as is normal for me to be out on the road doing something fun. I'm heading down to visit my mum today. It's pretty early. Well, 5 to 9, 5 to 10.
No, 5 to 9.
5 to 9. Oh my God, it's daylight savings. Yes, daylight savings. The clocks go back an hour, so it's only 5 to 9. And then I'm going to head down to the berry markets, which is down the south coast. The roads are nice and clear, as you can see. Not much traffic about, which is quite unusual for this bottleneck area. But it's going to be a pretty good day. We're at Mum's house. Oh, phone attachment thing. What? Phone attachment thing.
What is it? Phone?
It's an attachment thing for my phone.
Oh, do you have to come down and walk down the stairs like this?
That's what happens when you're old and have a disability. Stairs are not safe.
Oh, Rexy, careful.
Oh dear.
This gets all exciting.
Lucky you didn't break your neck.
Hey,
Yeah?
one bedroom cottage, outside laundry,
Yeah.
sunny deck.
Deck.
Yes, sunny deck.
You did a good job in doing oil in the deck.
Yes.
Sunny
Oil
deck.
deck.
What you don't
As you can see, we're back in the car and I had to use sneaky cam. Mum hates having her picture taken or video camera, and I don't really have all that many pictures or video of her, and at her age, well, you know, enough said on that. So yeah, sneaky cam had to come into employ. We're heading off to Bega now. I mean Berry, not Bega.
That's a long drive. We get some nice cheese down there.
Berry, oh my God, we're going to Berry, and I'm going to buy myself something. Don't know what, but I deserve it, don't I? Because I'm fabulous. All right, Rob, pop the music up. We'll put something on. You're a DJ, aren't you? Seriously, come on.
Oh, give me some notice. Jeez, give me much chance.
Oh, I want you to make it like a party house. Woo, Michael.
Yeah, Michael Jackson, but that's the last track. How about I put another song on?
Oh, that'll do. Woohoo! I can't say goodbye. We've arrived at Berry. We're in Berry, David Berry Memorial Park. It's gonna be a very, very good day. There are people staring, so I've got to, you know, as Rob always says, keep your voice down. I'm gonna head. Yes, you do.
Mocking me again?
I'm just saying. All right, so we are gonna head over to. Oh shit, this is a bit rocky. We're gonna head over to the markets now. Oh yeah, always got to look for the curb cuts. I was going to say too, I think this week is going to be a real red hot cracker of a week because, of course, this will be in a separate vlog, but not you, but I am heading to Dungog, which is northwest of Newcastle.
Oh God.
On Friday for a country health and wellbeing weekend. Chevy's going to be my driver.
Yep.
Robbie's redundant. It will be a cracker of a week.
Yep. I'll have some free time. Yay.
Good. Get a hobby, a men's shared hobby. I read in the paper yesterday that women, feminists, are trying, I've got a purse called Feminist, are trying to get themselves access to men's sheds. So it can't just be exclusively men's anymore. It's going to be, you know, unisex sheds so that women can learn skills that men have.
What kind of skills are you learning, hey?
I think it's a good thing. I don't think it's a good thing. Why segregate the sexes? Blend the sexes together. We can learn from each other. What do you think?
Sounds very sexy.
Whatever colour you want to call it. There's $2, $2, $2.
Are you filming me?
Yes, I'm filming you.
I heard it turn on.
Yes, I'm filming you. What do you got to say about that?
Not a great deal. I'm used to being on camera. I'm looking for stuff to buy.
Here at the berry markets, eh?
Yeah, just treat myself. Because I'm worth it. You actually have to point the camera at me, otherwise you're going to get my boobs. That wouldn't be good.
Oh, the boobs. Oh, sorry. I'm
At
sure.
me, not the boobs.
I'm sure we got them. It's Fanny's relief spot at last.
Yeah, the ice.
Oh, cool.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Mate. I'm back in the car with Rob, having just spent probably, what, $100 at the markets. I bought 4 Indonesian frocks from Indonesia, and as I'm buying them, I'm thinking, third world country, probably, you know, like cost what, 50 cents, so I'm paying $25 per frock. But regardless, I guess that's called good marketing. And I bought an emu. I have to show you my new friend. Yes, he's come home with me. He's in the back. Now you can't see him, don't look, but I'll introduce him after. But we're heading home now, as in back to my home, not my temporary accommodation. And I'm gonna give you a little bit of a shit. Oh, it's a plane! Ah! See? Distracted. Yeah, we are at the airport. That would be logical that there's a plane there. What was I saying again? Oh yeah, we're going back to my home to have a look, and I'm going to show you a little bit of what's been going on with the modifications work. So next time I see you, I'll be at my home with a cup of English breakfast tea. Just arrived home and I thought I'd come in to check on progress. Got the dust back here. This is the hall, what do you call it? Hall, doorway area. This used to be, oh, hang on a minute. There's no sliding door here yet. I thought there was a sliding door on this one.
No, there's no sliding door. It's an open plan, remember?
Oh, so there's not going to be a door here at all?
No, you forgot? It's open plan. We talked about this because the air conditioning is going to roll through here now.
Right, like a barnyard. Cool. All right. Then we have bedroom 1, so that's now got a sliding door on. I still can't get over the fact there's no sliding door here. It's big open space like horse barn. Got to get used to the modern way of living. Sliding door here. This has been widened, as you can see, but as of yet, no screen door on. So here I am, back in my apartment. I've just had a cup of tea. I think I'm going to have a shower. My little friend is up here. It's Cocky. Now, he hasn't come out since Canberra. And I think, have you missed him? I've missed him. I definitely have missed him. Anyway, I was going to show you what I bought at the berry markets today. So, let me get this out. Bit me. All right, this is, I haven't given him, her, a name yet, but it is an ostrich. So I came across this artist and I thought, oh my effing God, how can you be so talented? These are made out of paper mache. It was only $25. Paper mache, everyone is unique, and it's on a block of wood. Her name is Leanne Atkinson. Yes. And it was, oh my God, what was the name of the company? The Gritty Critter Shack. Yes, the Gritty Critter Shack. Hello? Yes, so I bought him. He was $25. And I've actually now commissioned the artist to do one of Kundu, my beautiful girl Kundu, my hound. So on May the 6th, I will go back down to the markets at Berry and pick her up. All right, I bought some clothes too. Do you want to see the clothes? Okay, hang there. So these are the clothes that I bought. Might be a little bit hard to show you with one hand, but it's a lovely sort of African or maybe even Aboriginal print. It's just a big flowing long kaftan dress. And I got many separate clothes. I got this butterfly top as well. How about if I just stick my, no, I can't shove it there. But anyway, you get the drift. I got this beautiful, lovely butterfly top too. I'm going to have to fashion model these for you. I just will have to. And this lovely long green dress as well. As you can tell, I love loose clothing because you can fit all of your fat rolls in and without too much of a bother. And this final beautiful, long, colourful one as well. Now, me and Cocky are just going to be the two hottest birds in Wollongong. By the time I've got all this on, you will not find two hotter birds. Yeah, Mum, what do you think? Oh, fucker! Yeah, why do you keep swearing? Fuck you! So rude, Cocky. Don't you love a little bit of cock in your day? I know, I'm losing it. I have been stuck in this apartment now for like, what, 10 days? And I think I'm going a little bit stir crazy. I love it. I love it here. Like, as you can see, it is comfortable, clean, beautiful. Oh, but I'm going a little bit mad. I'm starting to talk to my friend, Cocky. That's it from us. I'm going to wrap this up here now. I'm going to go and have a bit of a shower. Yes, I am. Me and Cocky are going to go and get wet. Oh, yeah, right. Do me a favour, if you like what you see and you want to see more, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel just below, click on the subscribe button, and thank you sincerely to all of these subscribers who seem to apparently like seeing little snippets of my life every week, because I love the support you're giving me, and I hope that this can continue for a very long time. So from me and Cocky, it's a really good life. Good night.